Hi students, welcome to S&M Coaching Center. Let us do few word problems today. What is the first question? Find a number which divides 438 and 606, leaving a remainder 6 in each case. So how to solve this problem? And as you know, in this chapter, you should either be finding out the HCF or the LCM. Now let us see, I will teach you a trick as to how to find out whether it is the HCF or LCM. Now what is they are saying? They are saying find a number. So let us write, let the number be x. Let the required number, let it be x. Now look, what is this number? Is this number bigger than the given numbers or smaller? First decide that. This number divides 438 and 606, and also by doing so it is leaving a remainder 6. So if this has to divide this, naturally the number we are finding out is smaller than the required numbers. So what is the hint here, clue for you people? If the required number, if you find the keyword divides the, if you find the word divides the given number, which means you are got a number that is smaller than the given numbers, then what is that you have to find? You have to find out the HCF. Now it is clear that we have to find the HCF. What to do with the remainder 6? First, from each of the given numbers, subtract the remainder. What are the given numbers? 438. Remove 6 from that. You will get a new number 432. Similarly, from 606, subtract 6. So you are left with 600. So we have to find it. Now you know it is HCF. Find HCF for these two numbers. So how will you find HCF? Use the prime factorization method. 432, 2 2s, 2 16s, 13, 2. I will divide 216 with 2. 2 ones is 2. Then what is this? Most of the times kids write it as 2 8s 16 and they write it, which is wrong. Why? See, since the divisor is a single digit, in the dividend from here also we have to, at each step we have to consider only single digit. So 2 ones 2, this digit is done with. Which is the next digit we have to consider? It is 1. But 1 is smaller than 2. So I cannot directly divide it. So in order for me to consider 2 digits at a time, I need to keep a 0 and then consider. So 2 8s 16. This is the mistake kids will be doing. They ignore putting 0 and they end up with the wrong answer. 2 5s, 2 4s, 2 27s, and then 3 9s, 3 3s. So factors of 432 are, how many 4s? 1, 2, 3. There are 4 2s. There are 3 3s. Similarly, do it for 600. Find the factors for 600. I will do it with the 3 200s. You can divide with any prime number in any order. Doesn't matter. 2 hundreds, 2 50s, 2 25s, 5 5s. So the factors are of 600 are 3, 2 cube and 5 square. Now what is that we are looking at? We are looking at HCF. How do we find HCF of given numbers? It is the product of all common factors but with the least power. So HCF of the numbers will be, common factors are 2s and 3s. Out of 2s, which is the lowest power? 2 cube. So write 2 cube, multiply it with, for 3, which is the lowest power? 3. Multiply it with 3. So 2 cube is 8, 3 is, so the required number is 24. So therefore, what is the answer? The required number which is x, is nothing but your 24. Now, for our confirmation, let us do a verification step. You can do this verification step in the rough column. No need to write it in the main page. What is that? The required answer is 24. What is the question saying? When 24 divides the numbers, they leave us remainder 6. Let us see. This is verification, children. No need to do this in the main paper. Do this in the rough part. They don't even ask the verification. Just for our understanding. So 24, when it divides 438, we will see whether we get a remainder 6 or not. 24 once is 24, then 13 minus 4 is 9, 1, and then 8. If I take 9, it will might be a bigger number. I'll check with 7. 7 4s 28, 8 2 carry, 7 2s 14, 16. I might get a next number. 8 4s 32. 2, 3 carry, 8, 2, 16, 192. So what is the remainder I got? 6. I need to get 6 as the remainder. Check for the other number also. 606. I am dividing this with the 24. 24 twos is 48. So how much is that? 2 here, 1, 6. I will check with 5. 25 4s. 5 4s 20. 0, 2 carry. 5 2s are 10. 12, the remainder is 6. So in both the cases, when I am dividing the given numbers with the answer 24, I am getting a remainder 6. So our answer is right. Take down children. Let us move to the next question. What is the next question? It says that find the number which divides 320 and 320, 457. So, did we get our keyword here? Yes, the keyword is divides. When the word divides is there, what is that we are looking at? We are looking at HCF. The answer will be smaller than the given numbers. So, what is that basically we have to find? We have to find the HCF. And is the remainder same? No. In each case, for this the remainder is 5. For this number, the remainder is 7. When you have different remainders, what we have to do? The required number be, let the required number, we will take it as x. Then, first let us subtract the remainders. 320 minus 5 will be 315. Similarly, 457 minus 7 will be 450. Now, for these new numbers, let us find HCF. For that, we need to do the prime factorization. Let me divide it with 3. 3 ones 3. Then, how to divide it? 1 is smaller than 3. So, I have to take 2 digits together. To do that, I need to keep a 0. Then, 3 5s 15. Again, continue. 5 2s 10, 5 1s. I will do it with 3. 3 7s. So, the prime factors of 315 are 5, 7 and 3 square. Let us repeat it for 450. 450, I will divide it with 5. With 5, see children, you can divide the numbers with any prime numbers in any order. Need not always start with the 2. No, roll like that. 90, then 3 30s, 3 10s, 2 5s. So the prime factors of 450 are 5, 3 square, 5 square, 3 square and 2. Now, what is that we are looking at? We are looking at HCF. How do I know that it is a HCF? Because of the keyword which divides. The word divides is there, then it is the HCF that you have to find. Which HCF you will find? You have to find the HCF for the new numbers that you got after the subtraction. So, the HCF is, what is HCF? Product of all common factors with the least power. Which is the common factor? 5. The least power is 5 only. And then 3 is a common factor. Both have 3 squares. I will write it as 3 square only. So the HCF is 45. So the required number is 45. What is the required number? Required number that we were looking at, x is my 45. Now let us do the verification for this sum also. What is that we have to do? Divide the given numbers, original numbers, with 45 and see if they leave the remainders 5 and 7 for each of them. This is verification, children. No need to do in the exam. This is for our clarity. 320, divide it with 45. Divide it with 45. 45, 4, 8s, 5 8s, 40, 0, 4 carry, 8 4s, so 32, 32. So this is a bigger number. So I will check with 7, 7 5s, 35, 5 3 carry, 7 4s, 28, 29, 30, 31. So what is the remainder? 5 is the remainder. Yes, we should get a remainder 5. Divide the given number, original number, with the answer, which is 45. 45 once is 45. Then drag down 7. Is 7 a remainder here? No, 7 we did not. 7 we just dragged down. It's part of the given number. But 7 is smaller than 45. So put 0 in the remainder quotient. 45 zeros is 0. Do the subtraction. Now you will get the answer 7. So 45, the remainder again is 7. And we have to get a remainder 7. So our answer is perfect. Copy, children.